Good morning parents. In this video I will show you that how to teach your children about the writing strokes. So what first we will start with standing line. Okay, so standing line always go from up to down. Okay, like this, up to down. Okay, initially they will do like this. It is absolutely okay, but our target it from here to here to teach them year to year. Okay, so it always go from up to down. Okay, and once your children are done with this, what you can do, give them a marking and just tell them to follow that marking. All right, like this. Once they are done with this marking, you can just give them two marking only. Okay, these are the normal guidelines when we okay, so this is our standing line. Okay, now here is sleeping line. Sleeping line go from left to right, left to right, left to right. Okay, and you can again give them a marking, a dots to join and year. Initially you can just give them these strokes to join, and later you can end up with only two. All right, like this. And make sure whenever your child do any stroke, they should always say this, like while doing standing line they should say that it is standing line. All right, and while doing sleeping line they should say that sleeping line. All right, and curve should be like any C, this, this, and you can follow the same pattern to them. Just give them any, so they know how to roll their hands like this. Just tell them to join these strokes. All right, so this is our curved line, and here we come to slanting line. Slanting line can be go from